My name is Kedor, and this week I'm going to show you how to work with design options in Revit. For this exercise, I'll be creating a hip roof and a gable roof. So our first step, create and name your design options. Go to the Manage tab and click Design Options. This will open up your design option window. Create a new option set. This will automatically create a primary design option, and all you need to do now is to select and rename your first option to hip. Go ahead and create another option and be sure to name it gable. Step 2. Duplicate and rename your view. In your project browser, duplicate and name your views. I'll rename my 3D view options hip roof option and gable roof option. Now let's turn our attention to step 3. Select the appropriate design option before you model. Hit VV to bring up your visibility graphics window, and under design options, select gable. Click apply and OK. Now that you've selected your roof option, let's model a simple gable roof. So for our fourth step, let's model a design. Under the Architecture tab, from the Roof drop-down menu, select Roof by Footprint and create a gable roof. You now need to add these walls to the design options so you can attach them to the roof. Select the main model from the design option list. Hover over the wall you want to add to the design options when it's highlighted. Hit the tab key to select all, then left click. Go to the Manage tab and in the design option category, select Add to Set. The Add to Design option set will appear and you can select both roof options. Go back and select Gable from the Design option list and attach your wall to roof. Now repeat step 3 to create your hip roof option. When you're done creating your hip roof, select main model from the design option list. In the project browser, you can now switch between your options. If this is your first time watching my tutorial, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.